Hi students, here we are going to learn exercise number 7.1 question number 4. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? So here they are talking about hours and a day. So both should be converted in the same unit. That means the day should be converted into hours. So 1 day is equal to how many hours we have to think over it. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 24 hours. Here they are asked you to write the fraction for 8 hours to a day. That means the required fraction is, so the fraction is, here for 8 hours they are asked you to write the fraction. So 8 hours out of 24 hours. Both should be in the same unit, like that only we should write our answer. So that's all, that is our fraction. 8 hours out of 24 hours. We'll go on to the next problem now. So here comes our fifth question. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes they are asking. So here they are talking about minutes and an hour. So 1 hour is equal to how many minutes first we should write. So 1 hour is equal to actually 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to, both should be converted in the same unit, then only you have to go for a fraction. Hours and minutes is given, you cannot write the fraction as it is. So 1 hour should be converted into minutes, then we have to go for the fraction. So the fraction is equal to, now fraction is here out of what they are asked you to write the fraction of for 40 minutes. 40 minutes out of 60 minutes. So 40 by 60 is your correct answer. We'll move on to the next problem now. So children, here comes our sixth question. Our question is, Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has brought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetables and one of jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. So here only Arya brought the lunch. He brought only 2 sandwiches. One is made up of vegetable, the another one is a jam. The remaining 2 boys, they didn't bring the lunch to the school. So Arya agreed to share the sandwich to his friends. Now what is a given question here? First question. So the question A, how can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share? So totally has only 2 sandwiches. Now how many students going to divide the sandwiches? Now 3 students going to divide the sandwiches. So we need to write the sentence as the answer. Both the sandwiches should be divided into 3 parts. So that is your correct answer. We have to write each sandwich should divided into, each sandwiches divided into 3 equal parts. So both should be divided into 3 equal parts. Then each one will be getting, first sandwich they will be taking one part. Second sandwich also they will be taking, all the 3 will take one part. That is the correct answer. Each sandwich should be divided into 3 equal parts. So that is the final answer. We'll move on to the next problem B. Our question is, what part of sandwich each boys will get? So out of one sandwich if they are taking, that one sandwich is divided, yes, sandwich only is your question. In one sandwich how much part they are getting, that is your question. What part of a sandwich they are getting is a question. So each sandwich we have divided into 3 parts. So one person will be getting out of 3 is 1 only. So 1 by 3 is your fraction. Only one sandwich they are taking, they are dividing into only 3 parts. So each person will be getting only 1 part. So that answer is 1 by 3. So that is your final answer. We'll go on to the next problem now. So here comes our 7th question. So Kanchan dyes sarees. She had to dye 30 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses has she finished so far? That is the question. So total number of dresses she is having is 30. Out of 30 sarees or out of 30 dresses, how many drying is over means 20 dresses dyeing is over. So that is a fraction they are asking. So first the total dresses she has is 30. So finished work is actually finished sarees. So finished dresses is given as 20. So what is the fraction for the finished sarees they are asking? So the fraction is 20 sarees completed out of 30 sarees. That is your answer. Very simple. We'll move on to the next problem now. So here is our 8th question. Write the natural number from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers they are asking. So first we have to write natural number from 2 to 12. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are all the natural number. From 2 to 12 we have written. Now what they are asked you to find, how many of them are prime numbers. So here 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, again 7 is a prime number and 11 is a prime number. Remaining numbers will come in some other tables. 4 will come in 2 table, 6 will come in 2 table, 8 2 table, 9 3 tables, 10 5 tables. So prime number means the number should not come in any other tables. That is called prime numbers actually. Here totally how many numbers we are having? So total numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Totally we have 11 numbers. Out of 11 numbers, how many of them are prime numbers? So the red lines numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of this 5 numbers are prime numbers. So our fraction is equal to 5 numbers are prime out of 11 numbers. So 5 by 11 is your correct answer. We'll move on to the next problem now. Thank you for watching children. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.